Okay, now in this video I am going to talk about the one question which is based on the property which we discussed in the last video, like formula, and this is your question. Question is, a central angle theta in a circle of radius 12 feet intercepts an arc of length 42 feet. What is the radian measure of angle theta? So like if I draw the figure as per this language, this is your circle. In this circle is of radius, what is the radius? 12, and this radius will be rotating and is going to cover some part of the circle and making an angle theta. So this is the angle made by theta when it is rotated from this point to this point, and it cover the length, the arc length is, it intersect an arc of length 42 feet. Means when it rotates it is going to cover, or you can say another way, it needs to be rotated to cover arc of length 42. So when it rotates from here to here, this is going to be 42 feet. This is 12 feet, this is 42 feet. Now I need to find out this theta. So we know the formula, theta equals to S upon R. Theta equals to, what is S? S is arc length. Arc length is what over here? 42 feet. This is 12 feet. Now I need to simplify. So the feet unit also getting cancel out. Now this I need to cancel out. So first I am going to cancel out first by 2. So this is going to be 6 and this is going to be, now I can divide by by 2 again. So this is 3 times, oh no, by 3. So this is 2 times and this is going to be 7 times. So what is coming up? 7 upon 2. Now you divide this, so it is going to come 3.5. So theta is coming up 3.5 radian. Correct. So this is how we can calculate. So always remember, when this is the relation theta equals to S upon R, theta become unitless over here, and being with the to make it unitless, it is called in radian. Okay, suppose in case of, suppose the theta is given in degree. So first I need to, because over here the theta value could be placed when it is in radian. If it is theta is given in, suppose like 90 degree, so first I need to convert this into radian, and then we can place over here, because this part is not degree, this theta is not in degree, it is in the radian form. So first, if it is, the angle is given in degree, I need to convert into radian, and then I can replace over here, and then we can calculate this part, whatever, either I need to calculate S or either I need to calculate R. So it depends on the question that we see later on, more question when we will be doing on from the exercise. This is your checkpoint 1 question which I have done. In this, theta is coming up 3.5. Thank you.